Hello, Mrs. KJ here. Today I'm going to show you how to do the earthquake simulation. So you want to choose Eastern Mediterranean earthquake, and we're going to choose easy. Again, sometimes after you click it, it takes about 10 seconds to load, and that's okay. Hello, this Mediterranean city is a region affected by earthquakes. The city has a population of 436 people who rely on agriculture, service activities, and tourism for their livelihoods. You have to protect as many people, buildings, and livelihoods as you can against a possible earthquake. Your challenge is to provide accommodations to 600 people, build one hospital and one school. There's also a need to retrofit at least 10 old buildings for more safety. What it's talking about here is the fact that during earthquakes, one of the biggest dangers is fire because the wires in the buildings, the electrical wires, are getting shaken around and they are touching, and if they touch other areas they're not supposed to, they can cause a spark, which can lead to fire. So you have to upgrade a lot of the old buildings. So I'm going to start with showing you that. You can pick any 10 buildings that are here. So you're going to pick upgrade, and again, I'm just going to protect the electronics, secure the fittings, but you have to scroll down. You have to retrofit the building. This is going to also help with stabilization. So I'm going to do that to 10 separate buildings. And if you do it to 10 buildings, and when you click your person, if it doesn't show up, just do it to 1 or 2 more buildings. So that's your first thing you're going to do, retrofit the old buildings. All right, then it says, oh, I need to build a hospital. So I'm going to click on show risk. Whoa, there's a lot of purple and red and orange. Yellow is safer, and a little bit of green. Not a lot of green in this area. But obviously I want my hospital to be safe, so I'm going to put it on green. I'm going to scroll down to the very bottom, click my hospital and check out. And of course, after you build a building, what do you want to do? Upgrade. So go ahead and upgrade your buildings. Now if I check it out, I have my hospital built. Hopefully you already retrofitted your 10 buildings, and we need a school, and we need some houses. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you something with the houses. So I want to house a lot of people, so I am going to build apartments because they can hold 12 people and offer 30% defense. So I'm going to build it, and then watch this. If I click on another square, it gives me double-sided arrows, and it will automatically do that exact same thing again. So I can build a lot of apartments really fast. However, then I'm going to want to go back to them and do what? Upgrade, of course. We're going to want to upgrade them, and you can actually retrofit them too. So it's going to be really easy to spend money on this one. Remember, you want less than $10,000 of your budget remaining. And when you do your updates in that, you'll get your key facts pretty easily. Other things that you can do, if you click on an area, you can add defenses. So maybe I want to build some trees. Maybe down here, when it's close to the shore, I want to build some trees. So that is up to you as well. Remember, if you have questions on this or anything else, make sure you ask. When you are done with everything, you can click Start Disaster. But before you do, make sure you have all your people housed, you have your 10 buildings retrofitted, your school and your hospital built, and you spend a lot of money. But here you can really see those fires that I was talking about. So the fires are what's going to do a lot of damage during an earthquake, along with the fact that everything is shaking and moving around. Make sure you click View Report. And this is the screenshot you need to turn in, including your screenshot all the way over here so that your teacher can see the words disaster earthquake, and make sure you have the right thing. You are getting graded on having at least 8 key facts. Your budget remaining is less than $10,000, and you pass your missions. All right, if you have questions, let your teacher know.